Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the blinds effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect category, and then scroll down to find blinds. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to bring it to the end of the clip. And now this is going to be a little bit weird for this clip because we're not kind of in a secluded area. There's a lot of lights going on. This really would work more so kind of like the example video right here. If just a front facing camera in front of a person, that would be the best way to use this effect. But we're going to work with what we got. Okay, so now with the effect being selected, we can go up to special effects and we can mess with the atmosphere of the effect, basically just making it stronger or weaker, going from left to right. And yeah, that's the light effect. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.